Let's take a look and see how much time and money Detroit detailer Mark Miner has saved in the 3 years since his initial Forever Guard treatment. In spring of 2021, Forever Guard partner Jim Simpson treated Mark's Beneteau sailboat with Titania. Here's what happened next. The boat's hull cleaned off with ease using a hose and a brush. VC17 bottom paint remained intact. In spring, the Beneteau cleaned up in an hour, and for the first time, did not require a pre-season reapplication of bottom paint. All cleanup, again, a quick hose and a brush, bottom paint intact. Mark's Beneteau is ready for winter storage. Next spring, hoist straps leave a mark, no problem. The boat is still protected by the same bottom paint and Titania from 2021. Fall cleanup 2023, 2 hours to wash and wipe down. Bottom paint still intact. So let's hear from Mark on how much time and money he saved over these 3 years.
Years and years, every spring, spend a day, clean the sides, polish the sides, apply wax or sealant, apply 2 coats of VC17 below the water line. About a day for the buff and wax, half a day for the VC17. Titania has saved me that. Now, all I do is wipe down the sides with all-purpose cleaner and she's ready to go in the water.